Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm going to be putting down some Sherwin-Williams white and some Sherwin-Williams black. House paint in eggshell. And hopefully swiping a few colors across. This is Tricorn black, which I am almost out of, unfortunately. And I want to try a couple things I haven't tried before. Take that lump off. Time to go get some more Tricorn black. I'm going to take my rather large palette knife. I'm going to put white cell activator on the paddle and use it on the black side. If it'll allow me. Seems like it's getting clogged. I'm going to use some pink diamond Prizm Pour. I don't see any pink, but that doesn't mean it's not coming, because it could be. Oh, I can't believe I painted that whole last painting without dampening my studio rag. It's damp now. Here come the cells. Can't wait to see what this does. I might use some Mayan gold in a minute, if that doesn't do what I wanted. And I can always use a different palette knife. So I started with the white on the black, so I'm going to do the exact opposite. I'm going to do the black. Well, I will. Same problem as the other one. Whoops. right between my fingers. Alright, same thing. Pink diamond. A copious amount. Wipe that off. Really quickly in my bucket. There is a video that shows my studio. Whoa. Okay. That wasn't as clean as I'd like it to be. So I've got leftover paint in this little dish over here, which might be handy and might not. I may move that around some, tip it some. I might wish that Amsterdam black and white, I wish the bottles were more open. I could use another color, but right now I'm going to focus on what I've got. And grab an edge catcher if I can. That's kind of small. Kind of not good enough. Let's grab this one. I don't mind if there aren't a ton of cells yet. There are times when simple is just better. And because there's black and white, it means I can use a palette knife. I'm still contemplating spinning. The paint will seal initially if you don't hold it too tight to an edge catcher. You can scrape it off. still want some gold, but I think I'm going to restrain myself. I think this might be pretty cool. I've been thinking about this a long time, just not doing it. Now I don't have any handhold. That was pretty simple. I have to use a thumbnail. And house paint is pretty heavy. I've done this a lot of times with things that weren't house paint. It's nice how the black and the pink make purple. So it's actually making its own alternative color, which is pretty darn cool. I'm not even sure I'm going to have to spin, although it probably wouldn't be a bad idea. So I rock my edge catcher just to send the paint that's on it back. And I've just got one more side to go, and I'm going to get painty no matter what I do. I'm going to get that paint off my hands right now. So excuse me while I wipe up a little bit. This is cool. I'm happy I did this. So that's one color and black and white. The cell activator. Black and white house paint, black and white cell activator. I hope I don't take away what I like the most about this on this last tip. It's kind of a slow process, but I'm loving the huge cells. And I can always spin a little bit and pick up some of the paint. Or I could just take the paint that's on the edge catcher right now and use it to cover any spots that are uncovered. That's an idea. That's an idea I like. So let me grab a little spatula. This is super cool. That's a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. It's on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under the link tree. It's actually on the on the link tree, not under it. Right around the link tree somewhere, you're going to find the Colour Arte coupon code for 20% off. And I used up almost all of the paint. It's on my edge catcher. And I still haven't spun, and I'm pretty sure I have to spin, and I really don't want to spin because I like this so much right now. Let's make sure all my edges are covered. Nope, they're not. I kind of want a picture of it right the way it is because it's so cool. Alright, I have enough paint, I believe, on my edge catcher to cover my missing areas, which there are not very many of them. And the little bit of drippage is another resource. Cool. I'm really tempted to test that in the middle and see how thick it is. I don't think it's so thick that it's going to be a problem. I guess I should probably still spin. I don't want to at all. I need to find a place to put my leftover paint down. And I will give this a brief spin, even though I don't want to. Cross your fingers for me. Just to thin it out just a little bit. Looks like we might be shedding some paint, and that could be a good thing. I'm still liking what I'm seeing. I'm going to spin one more time. I'm less afraid. Black, white, and pink diamond. Cool. Very, very cool. I like it. I don't want to spin anymore and take a chance on ruining something that I really like. That is paint. Free, so now I've fixed it. I think I'm good to go. Any little spots I think will be fine. I did not use a whole lot of pillow paint to begin with. This is not a candidate for spirals. This is just super, super cool. I love it. I'll be doing this again with a different color next time maybe. Probably. So I've still got 5 minutes. I can shimmer this at you and I can tell you thank you for the thumbs up and thank you for your kind words and your comments that you keep my morale boosted. There ought to be a shimmer where the pink is. Oh, there is. I could have probably used some Chantilly lace, and that might have been nice too. I'll just check for bubbles. That's super. I'm really pleased with this. I kind of think anybody would be. I hope so. If you like what I do, tune in tomorrow. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Pretty much 7 days a week. I'm happy you're here. I wanted to do something black and white, but this may not be black and white, but it's still pretty awesome. I'll be checking for bubbles. I wish I hadn't trimmed my thumbnail. It's my favorite tool to pop bubbles. Love, love, love the patterns. And they work a bunch of different ways. I think that way right there is my favorite. All right, I love you guys. Thank you for your comments again. Thank you for the donations that keep me painting. Thank you if you've joined the membership. You help keep me painting too. There's a PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. If you use it, I'll be eternally grateful. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Should you have an interest in inquiring about lessons privately, one-on-one at the house with me in Spring Hill, Florida, or maybe purchasing an artwork. If you share my videos and watch them longer, you're a big assistance to me. I really appreciate that. If you check out my link tree, you'll find my website. My Amazon link is there because I Can and Unlimited Possibility are my 2 books, volumes 1 and 2, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube, and they're still relevant. Please leave me a comment if you'd like. If you have questions, please leave me a question. I'm happy to answer questions. I'm all over the map right now. On my Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group. On the Linktree again, Society 6 has new gear, and so does my Legallerist site, and underneath the video is spring clothing. And if you'd ever like to see something added to the merch there, just ask me. My paint pouring recipes are underneath the video, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is floating my boat, something fierce. I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.